Dear student, myself Jiu Patil, I again welcome to all of you for my online lecture series during this lockdown period. Dear student, I have already started the unit number 4 and today I have another online lecture for all of you on the same unit. So now the topic of discussion for my today's online lecture is IPv4 address classes. So in previous lecture we learn about the IPv4 and IPv4 header format along with IPv4 addressing modes. Now today we are going to learn IPv4 address classes. So let us start with the IPv4 address classes. So Internet Protocol hierarchy contains several IP addresses or several classes of IP addresses to be used efficiently in various situations as per the requirement of host per network. So broadly, the IPv4 addressing system is divided into 5 classes of IP addresses. So all the 5 classes are identified by the first octet of the IP addresses. Now, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, that is ICANN, is responsible for assigning the IP addresses. This is important organization which assign the particular IP addresses to the networks, that is Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. The first octet referred to here is the leftmost of all, that is the left side or leftmost of the first number, that is called as the first octet of the IP addresses. The octet's number as follows, depicting the dotted decimal notation of the IP addresses. So we have the decimal IP addresses as 192.168.1.152 in the figure. So leftmost part of this IP addresses, when it becomes converted into the binary addresses, so that is called as the first octet. So this is the basic representation of the IP address. Now the number of networks and the number of hosts per class can be derived by using the formula as shown in figure. So number of networks is equal to 2 raised to network bits and number of hosts or networks is equal to 2 raised to hosts bits minus 2. When calculating the host IP addresses, two IP addresses are decreased because they cannot assign to the host. That is, the first IP of network is network number and the last IP is the reserve for the broadcast IP. So this is the mathematical representation to calculate the particular IP addresses we have. So now let us move towards the class A address. The first bit of the first octet is always set to 0. Thus, the first octet ranges from 1 to 27, that is as shown in particular figure. So it is started from or ranges from 1 to 27, out of which the first bit or first octet is always set to 0, shown by red color. Class A addresses only include IP starting from 1.x.x.x to 126.x.xx only. The IP range 127.x.x.x is reserved for loopback IP addresses. The default subnet mask for class A IP address is 255.0.0.0, which implies that class A addressing can have 126 networks and 224-2 hosts. So the representation of class A IP address format is network.host.host.host, out of which the first octet is set to 0. Now the second class, that is class B address. An IP address which belongs to a class B has the first 2 bits in the first octet set to 10. So as shown in figure, the first 2 octets are set to 10, shown by red color. Class B IP address ranges from 128.0.x.x to 191.255.x.x. The default subnet mask for class B is 255.255.x.x. So the class B has 214 network addresses and 216.2 host addresses. So the representation of class B IP address format is network.network.host.host, out of which first 2 octets are represented by or set by 10. Now the class C address. The first octet of class C IP address has its first 3 bits set to 110, that is as shown in figure, that is first 3 bits are set to 110, shown by red color. So class C IP address ranges from 192.0.0.x to 223.255.255.x. The default subnet mask for class C is 255.255.255.x. So the class C gives 221 network addresses and 28 minus 2 host addresses. Now the representation of class C IP address format is network.network.network.host, out of which first 3 bits are set to 110. Now the class D addresses. Very first 4 bits of the first octet in the class D IP addresses are set to 1110, and it is nothing but the representation shown in figure by red color, that is first 4 bits are set to 1110. Class D has IP addresses ranges from 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. That is, class D is the reserved for multicasting, and in multicasting data is not destined to for a particular host. That is why there is no need to extract the host addresses from the IP addresses, and class D does not have any subnet marks also. Now the last class, that is class E addresses. So this IP class is reserved for experimental purpose, only for research and development, that is R&D or study purposes. IP addresses in this class ranges from 240.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.254. Like class D, this class 2 is not equipped with any subnet mask. So these are the classes or IPv4 classes, that is class A to class E addresses. So with these classes today I have finished this online lecture. Hope all of you understand this. So this is again very important topic for exam point of view as well as knowledge of point. Thank you very much.